Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to upload a custom audience list that you have from either current customers or potential customers. Upload that onto Facebook, create a custom audience, and start targeting and retargeting them with Facebook ads. Coming up. Hello there again, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Let's get started uploading a custom audience. So if you have a list of clients that you saved up in your client management system or your CRM, you can upload that list into Facebook and target them directly with specific ads. Okay, let's get started. So what you need to do is head on up here to the Ads Manager. Click on the three buttons. Head on over to Assets. Under Assets, click Audiences. So go ahead and click Create Audience, Custom Audience, select Customer File, add customers from your own file. So here you can upload an Excel file, which is a CSV, or you can also do a text file as well. If you want to look at a sample, you can click on a download template. So right here, here's a quick look at the sample so you can see what you'll need. If you have emails for them, phone numbers, obviously name, addresses, date of birth, male or female, these are the categories you can upload onto Facebook. Okay, coming back over here, you can see the identifiers. You can use up to 15. Here's what they are: email, phone number, date of birth, etc. Okay, so go ahead and click Upload File. Select the list you're uploading. Make sure you agree to the Facebook Custom Audiences terms. Name your audience. You also have the option, if you don't have a file, you can also do a copy and paste option as well. Okay, go ahead and click Next. Now go ahead and make sure the items here line up with what you're trying to upload. So here, first name, make sure you put it with first name, and then going down the list. Last name, address, email, etc. Okay, so once you're done matching and aligning the categories, go ahead and click Upload and Create. It'll upload. It'll tell you there, 100% complete. Your clients are uploaded. From here, you can go ahead and just either click Done, or if you already have an ad you want to make and target them, just click Add. Or if you also want to create a lookalike audience, you can click here. A lookalike audience is an audience that has similar characteristics to the ones you uploaded. Go ahead, click Done. Okay, and once it's ready, you'll see the little green circle pop up. It'll tell you it's ready, and then eventually it'll tell you the actual size of your audience. And then that's it. There you have it, folks. Relatively easy to upload a custom audience to Facebook. Should you have any issues uploading a custom audience list, please feel free to reach out to me. Leave me those questions down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Question of the day: have you uploaded a custom audience yet? And if so, what current ads are you marketing to those customers? Make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. As always, some of the best feedback and tips come from you, the Zepeda Media community. So make sure to get down in the comment section, start engaging and connecting with everybody else. Make sure you continue your digital media education by clicking on one of the videos right here. As always, Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.